Hello students, examples based on Cartesian product is given. If set G is 7, 8 and set H is 5, 4, 2. Okay, now we have to calculate G cross H. Okay, we have to calculate G cross H. Nothing but Cartesian product from G to H. See, if we consider Cartesian product of A to B, A cross B, what we mentioned here, the definition says A, B such that A belongs to first set. This first element is belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set. This is A cross B. Instead of A cross B, it is mentioned G cross H. And B cross A, suppose if I consider, and this can be represented by an ordered pair of real number B, A. In this case, B is the first set, A is the second set. We can write B belongs to B, A belongs to A. In this way. Okay. Now we can calculate the values of G cross H. See, G to H. What is G element here? 7. 7 to 5. Correct. 7 to 4. Next, 7 to 2. The elements belongs to G to H. Next, 8. Next one is 8. 8 to 5. Correct. 8 to 4. 8 to. This way we can calculate G cross H. Now calculate H cross G. Reverse form. Here G to H means G elements are first element, H elements are second element, and each and every element we have to make a Cartesian product. Similarly, H to G means H elements are first element, and Cartesian product form H to G. G elements are second element. See, reverse form. 5 to 7. 5 to 7. Next, 5 to 8. Next, 4 to 7. Next, 4 to 8. Next, 2 to 7. Next, 2 to. These are the elements belongs to G cross H and H cross G. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಜಿ ಒಳಗೆ 7 8 H 5 4 2 ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಜಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ H ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಿ ದಾಗಿನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು H ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 to 5 7 to 4 7 to 2 ಈ ತರ 8 to 5 8 to 4 8 to 2 each and every element belongs to the set G which is the Cartesian product of H. Next H cross G ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ each and every elements belongs to set H is the Cartesian product of G. See, 5 7 5 8 4 7 4 8 2 7 2 8. In this way we can calculate. Such type of example is also an example for 2 marks question. Okay, simple type of examples, 2 marks question. Next example is mentioned. If A cross B repeated as in the previous example and this example. A cross B is A, X. Next, A, Y. B, X, B, Y. This is given. Find A and B. Earlier they have given the sets, now we have to make the Cartesian product. But here given the Cartesian product, we have to calculate the set A and set B. ಮುಂಚೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅದ್ರ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಥವಾ ಜಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ, ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ 2 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಎ. B represents second, therefore second elements are belongs to second set. First set elements are what? A, B. Second elements are what? X, Y. Okay, in this way you can calculate. Okay, next step. Next example is if P is A, B, C and Q is R Q is R. Then find P cross Q and Q cross P. This is okay. Solution. Calculate P cross Q. Correct. P elements are what? A, B, C. Q element is what? R. Okay. Calculate P cross Q. Okay. P is consider first element. You consider second element. A to R. Correct. A to R. Next B to R. Next C to R. These are the possibilities of condition products from P to Q. Next calculate Q to P. Reverse form. Q is first element. P second element. R to A. R to B. R to C. Is both are equal? Just verify. Is A to R equal to R to A? Equal. You can write P cross Q is not equal to P cross P. Okay. Next example. Okay. All these examples are based on 2 marks questions. Okay. Next example. Next example is let the set A contain n of A. Let the set n of A is 3. Means set A contains 3 elements and set B contain 2 elements. If A cross B contain the elements x1, y2, x1, y2, z1. x1, y2, z1. Then find the elements of the set A and set B. Right. Okay, solution. We have to calculate set A elements as well as set B elements. See, A cross B mentioned, set A represent first elements. First element is what? X, Y, Z. Okay, set B represents second element. How many number of elements are there? 1, 2. Okay, this way you can calculate. Next. Simple type of examples here. Next example is let set A is 1, 2. Set B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Set C is 5, 6. Set D is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then verify that. Verify that. First one mentioned A cross B intersection C. A cross B intersection C is A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay. Second one mentioned A cross C is subset of A cross C. A cross C is subset of B cross D. A cross C is subset of B cross D. We have to verify. This is the given example. Okay. Solution. Given sets are what? Given set is A 1, 2, B 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. C 5, 6. Okay. In the first example, they are given only ABC. I will take only ABC. First mentioned A cross B intersection C. Correct? A cross B intersection. A elements are what? 1, 2. Cross B intersection C means we know the operation of intersection. Intersection means we are taking only common elements. Intersection is a common element. B is a C is a common element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Empty set. If it contains empty set, we can't do the cross product. Therefore, we can add this as also P. Okay. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇನು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸೆಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 1 2 1 3 1 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4. This 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4. Next A cross C. A cross C. No, A cross C. 1 5. Correct? 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6. Is there any common ordered pair here? Just go through these two. Another common ordered pair. Now common therefore A cross B intersection A cross C. Therefore, please remember that we verified what A cross B intersection C is. A cross B intersection A cross C. Such type of examples are asked in the exam for 3 marks. Usually asked in the exam 3 marks. Question ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಸಿ ತಗೋರಿ. ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ 1 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ರೀ, ನಾನ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಸೆಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ intersection A cross C. Okay. Next example is given A, B, C and D. Dimension is 5, 6, 7, 8. First calculation is A cross C. Calculate A cross C. A to C. 1 to 1 to 5. Okay. 1 to 6. Next 2 to 5. 2 to 6. This is A. Next B cross B calculation. B cross B. B to D. 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 1 to 8. Correct? 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8. Completed for one element. Next 2, 2 5, 2 6, 2 7, 2 8. Next 3 5, 3 6, 3 7, 3 8. Next 4 5, 4 6, 4 7, 4 8. Okay, these are the elements belongs to B cross C. 1 5 here also 1 6, 2 5, 2 5, 2 6, 2 6. Correct. A cross C is contained in B cross C. Correct. Therefore, we say that A cross C is subset of B cross C. A to C calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ B to D calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6 ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಅದಾವಿಲ್ಲ contained in ಅದೇನ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್. ಇಫ್ A is contained in B, we ವಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎದಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಿದಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಿ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದಾವಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಾವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಿ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, next one, will you homework, try this example in home. Okay. Let's set A. Let set A. Set A is 1 4. Set B 2 3 6. Set C 2 3 7. Then verify. A cross B union C is A cross B union A cross C. Okay, this one. Okay, thank you.